This is the brief on a new family rental deal in Haltom City. So we're diving into a newly listed rental home in the DFW area, specifically Haltom City. And believe me, it's really bucking the price trends right now. It's a huge opportunity for busy renters looking for the most space for the least amount of cash. First, let's just get right to the money, because this is the real hook. The list price is $13.75 a month. Now get this. That's a massive drop from its original price of $15.80. We're talking a saving of over $200 a month, which is a nearly 13% drop. I mean, that's one of the best budget deals you're going to find. Second, the place itself is just perfect for anyone trying to get the most value. It's a really practical 3-bed, 1.5-bath layout. You know, that's a great setup for families who need their own space, or even for roommates who want to maximize their savings by splitting the rent. And finally, let's talk location and what you need to do. It's right there in Haltom City, super convenient to 377 and East Belknap. So you get that quiet neighborhood vibe with really quick access to major roads. But listen, deals this good move fast. You absolutely need to get in touch with the listing specialist. That's Local Realty Agency Mid-Cities, or LRMC, to get the details or schedule a tour. This Haltom City home offers budget-conscious renters a rare combination of space, savings, and accessibility.